All right, packaging looks nice and firm. I like what I'm seeing. So let's go ahead and take a look at the drawers because I know you're curious about that. Now, one thing I did notice on all of the reviews that I saw on this particular product, these get a little bit bunched up right here, but in person, they don't look bad at all. Yes, they are a little bit bunched. They're not completely like flat and rounded. There's like kind of a little wrinkle in them, and that's what I did notice in all the other photos. But as you pull it out, super sturdy, because this is what the drawer looks like here. And so see how that one is completely straight and then a little bit of curve on the end there? So just a little wrinkle, just expect that. So it pops out like this, and then you insert your really sturdy bottom there like this, and that is how you get the drawer looking like this. Being able to stack it real nice. Slips in and out. Now obviously this is not a dresser unit, so if you go too far, yes, it will come out, so just pay attention to that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking absolutely fantastic, so let's see. I have way too much storage now. More is better than less. So, I have all my boxers down here. I have my socks, ankle highs right here. My tall socks right here. That held out just fine. Once again, with all that in there. There's some good space in here. This is a light drawer because just a few workout tights, long sleeve shirt. But down here, this is where you're nice and thick. So it actually stays up, which I'm very happy about that. I got a pair of jeans in here. 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of shorts, 5, 6 pairs of shorts total. 1 pair of jeans right there. Down here, I actually have a really nice stack. Now this is where you do need to be careful because this is a pretty heavy one. So you need to give at least a little bit of room in here so it holds. And I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 shirts. Obviously, these are too small to put in like major comforters or anything like that, but sheets, blankets, extra towels, linens, smaller things that aren't crazy, crazy fluffy. Overall, they have superseded, if that's even a word, been higher than my expectations. That's why they're such well-reviewed dresser units.